YouTube. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Kai TV 2. Why is it looking like that? Well, yeah, it's your boy Kai TV 2, but you knew that. And man, as you seen in the title, man, we finally got another True Religion unboxing. I know it's crazy. It's been like 2 years, but it's crazy. I haven't bought no new Trues. My wardrobe been pretty straight, decent. So I ain't really been tripping about clothes. Been focused on other stuff in life, you know what I'm saying? You can't just be all about clothes and stuff like that. I do love, clothes and fashion and stuff like that, but you can't be tripping off that all the time. Um but yeah. So today I only bought one pair cuz this is part of my birthday outfit, but new Trues, man. New True alert, man. Just to recap, these the old ones. Still got all of them. Oh, matter of fact, no I don't. I had some blue ones with white and gold stitching. Sold those to my mom, because my mom, she not like a girly girl. She don't like to dress up like that. So, she was like, oh, I like these jeans. And I was like, well, shit, I can't fit them. So, if you want to buy them, go ahead. And that's why you're going to see today that these are size 30. These, all my Trues were size 32. And I messed up, y'all. I messed up. 32 in True Religion is huge. So I've got these tailored. These are perfectly tailored. Well, not perfect, but wearable. These are untailored, but I just wore it one day, like skip it. And then these, I cut them like it was so bad, like how long they were and stuff like that, and baggy, that I kind of overdid it with these. They just like almost too short type thing. I got them hemmed, which is shorter, cut shorter, and tapered, which is skinnier. But you can only get them cut skinny up until this point down. So from here down, that's the only way you can get them tapered when you get them tailored. So get them skinnier. So the top half of your pants and all that stuff is still gonna be baggy. So it helps, but it doesn't really like not crazy. It just makes it bearable. But enough of those, man. We got these today. I'm gonna come right back at y'all when I get the bag open. Okay, we back, and man, as you can tell, I'm hyped, man. It's nothing like opening a new pair of Trues, like, man, getting that new pack in and opening a new pair of Trues and just, oh man, it's just, uh, anyways, these rope stitch, as you can see, these are the rope stitched Trues, and wow, this quality is just, man. People sleeping on True Religion jeans. If you don't wear them, I will. You don't wear them, so I am gonna wear them. Oh my, oh my God, these go crazy, man. Oh man, y'all might not seen me cut up like this in a video before. These right here, these is my babies, but these right here, oh my God. Let's just put the camera once. I love you, but scoot to the side real quick. We gotta compare a little bit. These ones are dirty. I gotta wash them, but we gotta compare a little bit. Now, that's the matchup right there. That's the matchup right there. But yeah, these are the rope stitch Trues. As you can see, these are the regular Super T. These are the ropes. I don't know if it's rope stitch Super T, I think, but that's how much they originally costed. I got these for like 150 or something like that. They rate me on the what's the name on the taxes and all that stuff. This time I don't think I paid for the fast shipping. This took a whole week. Like, it got started on the 16th and it didn't get here till like the 20th. Like, it took, man. But I'll probably make a video on how to get your shipments faster. I don't know if it's just like True Religion or just with any place you order from, but I'll probably make a separate video on how to get your shipments faster. You really don't need to pay for the fast shipping. I guess I just was like skip it when I did buy it, but these are super dope. Um, just a quick look. I'm actually gonna put these on because, like I said, these are size 30 and these are size 32. So These are real baggy around the waist. I don't like it, and I hope these fit perfect. They look like they will, but who knows till I put them on. I am gonna show y'all. I'm gonna throw them on, and I'm gonna show y'all um, just other stuff about the jeans before I do that. Uh, Same as the other ones. No American flag. I think that's the old style. It does have the Buddhas in the pockets, like the other ones, just like these and just like the other ones. My camo ones don't got Buddhas in the pockets though. Those are like different. What else? It was of course no flag over there either. That's all the old stuff. But it's definitely not the new style because the new style has the leather patch, which is the Buddha smile in the middle, and it says True Religion or whatever how it is. But yeah, man. Oh man, I'm loving these, man. I'm loving this light style. Uh, my outfit I'm gonna have is I'll probably insert pictures if I can. I'll do it right now. Boom. Okay, if I didn't, I'm just gonna tell y'all. It's a black and white polo, black polo with white horse. Same on the hat, black hat with the white horse, and then I'm gonna wear my Space Jam 11s. I should have pulled them out for y'all so y'all could, you know, get the look or whatever. Something that kind of can compare, I guess, is black metallic fives. Does that look? Is that clicking? No, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna throw these on and I'm gonna come back at y'all. Hey, YouTube, I'm back. I got the jeans on, and this how they look. This is a close representation to my birthday outfit. Like I said, I was gonna get a black polo with the white horse, but no white on the collar and no white on the sleeves. So I feel like it'll match better with the hat. I could try to pull it off with this, but I don't think it'll look right. It's solid black with the white horse with this, and I don't think it'll really go. I'm not even really liking it with what I got on right now. I don't know why. It's just the white. Just do something to it. But anyways, these are the jeans. They fit good. They fit perfect. Like, man, there's no it's not bunched up. If I wore these, it'd have been bunched up in the front, like it'd have been bunched up like that. But these, no, none of that. I was kind of scared I was gonna go too small, but this is perfect. Show you the back. I ain't on no gay shit trying to show you my ass or nothing like that. Just showing you that it's not bunched up at all, like nothing like that. Look at that stitching. This is high quality. Like, this is why people pay that much money for True Religion jeans. Somebody asked me that, like, why would you pay that much money for jeans? First of all, I'm not paying the full price. Second, I've worn Levi's all my life and stuff like that. Like, that's nothing special. You won't get this type of feel or quality with Levi's. Don't get me wrong, it's not shitty quality or nothing like that, but it's nothing like this. And like I said, I was gonna wear my Space Jam 11s with my birthday outfit too, so I had to throw those on for y'all just to give y'all a look. I hope this don't slide. I think it is. Okay, boom. Just give y'all a quick look. I got my shirt down. Just boom. Boom. And tag out the way. Boom. Yeah. But other than that, I'm messing with them. I love them. I'm definitely getting 30 from now on. I'm so mad. Hey, you might be able to, if you want to buy these, let me know. I might make an Instagram for my YouTube. Y'all, if y'all really trying to buy them, I'll make an Instagram for my YouTube channel just to sell these camo ones and these plain ones. We can talk prices. I don't know what's a good price right now, but definitely under 100. Definitely 100 for the camo though. You gotta pay that money for these. These is untouched. Them untouched. So yeah. One thing about it, I don't like with the 30. It's not much crotch room. You know, it's real short. It's real snug in there, man. I'm a black dude. I need some room. You feel me? Like, I ain't even gonna lie. Not to be that type of person or nothing like that. But look at this, man. These take the cake, man. These my new babies right here. I'm sorry to the black ones. Sorry to these, my first super tees, but these right here take the cake, man. Quality. Can't really say much else about it, man. So yeah, YouTube, I'm gonna get out of here, man. I've been rambling, spending too much time. This is really supposed to be a quick video for y'all. It's been 2 years, man, but y'all can stay tuned and believe that I'm getting more. Now that I got a 30, definitely getting more, man. So y'all stay tuned. It's your boy Kai TV Tube. You know what I like to say. I love new subscribers. I love comments, but I need you, all of y'all to hit that like button so we can get this video out there for the people to see. The more people like this video, the more people will see it. We ain't trying to get no money about you. We ain't trying to do all of that, man. We just trying to get more people to see this video so they can subscribe, so they could be part of the family. They can, see everything that go on. So I'm gonna get out here, y'all. YouTube, it's your boy Kai TV Tube, but you knew that. You knew that.